Dear students, very good afternoon to all of you. So today we will revise and we will see how to solve this crossword puzzle from your vocabulary part. I told you this is the part which is most important. You have to build a good stock of vocabulary in order to write properly and at the same time in order to speak properly, especially continue conversation and explain your ideas to others. So, for both reasons, vocabulary and a good stock of vocabulary is mandatory for all of you. Not only for English but also for all other subjects. Because all the subjects you are going to write it, express it, and talk about it in English. So, a good stock of English vocabulary is mandatory for all of you. In order to build it, what you have to do, first you begin with what you have in your hand. What do you have? You have the books. You are reading different subjects. So whenever you come across any kind of new word or interesting word or any new phrases, catchy phrases, new interesting phrases, those things you have to note down. Build a book, a notebook, and there, according to the subject, you try to note it down by and by. It will help you a lot, I'm telling you. Next step, once your textual books are over, then you move over to newspapers. You have to make it a habit to read the newspaper at least thrice a week. Try to read as much as possible for you, especially the newspapers, whichever the newspaper it is, provided it is written in English, like Times of India, Hindustan Times, anything, or the Telegraph, anything that you have reach, that is within your reach, you have to read it properly. Okay, at least thrice a week is mandatory for all of you. So now, once it is over, then try to revise all those things. Now, how to remember those words that you have noted down? The best way to remember it is that you try to use it. Unless you use those words, the stock of which you have made, you will forget it for sure. So you have to use it. While you are talking, while you are writing essay or writing the answers, try to put those words where it is necessary and it is applicable. The more you use those words, the better you can remember those things. That is how you have to build a strong stock of vocabulary. So here this crossword is given down and across twice, and in two ways we actually solve it. We have to find out the number, like down from this is vertical and across means this is horizontal. So we have to find out the numbers, and accordingly you have to write down what is asked. Now here it is asked that we have to find out homophones. Homo means same and phone means sound. So similar sounding words having different meanings, that you have to find out. That is what we are asking you to do. So the first one is there, that is lesson. Lesson is given there, lesson, which is the same kind of sound that goes and that sounds almost similar to this word, that is lesson. Lesson and lesson are almost same, but their spellings are different, their meanings are also different. Then comes, it is hell, HAIL. Same thing we see, we say when we utter hell, HELL. So the pronunciation for HELL and HAIL are almost similar. Then comes break, BRAKE, break. The same way we say break, BREAK. There also we only say break. Here also BRAKE, we say break. So both the words, they are similar in sound, but their meanings are different. While BRAKE, break, it is a verb that means to stop something, to do something, to make something stop. Suppose you are pulling the brake in order to stop your car or your cycle. That's what we call break. But if you say BREAK, break, that means that you are destroying something. In the beginning we said lessen, LESSEN, which means to decrease something. But when you say LESSON lesson, this is our syllabus which we are reading. Hail, HAIL, that is, it has two meanings. One, to hail means if it is used as a verb, then you can say it to welcome. And if it is said hail as a noun, then you can make it the hailstorm. Those pieces of ice that falls with the rain, those are also called hail. Now we come to question number 4, that is quite. 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 I'm quite well today means I'm almost well today. I'm quite fit means I'm almost fit. So this actually tells you about the fulfillment. But if I say quiet, suppose you are making a great noise before I entered the class, and once I entered the class I told you quiet, QUIET, which means silence. So quiet means something that is silent. It is an adjective. Quiet, a quiet place means a silent place. Then comes pane, PANE. This is window pane. Window pane. Okay, the similar sounding word will be PAIN, pain. If I twist your ears, you can feel it very properly. That's how those the similar sounds, but their meanings are different, their spellings are also different. So pronunciation is same, but spelling and meaning, they are different. Homophone, phone means sound, I told you. Then comes across, that is horizontal. So here you do one thing, that is flour. So flour, FLOUR, that is we make flour from wheat. From wheat we make flour, and from flour we make rotis and parathas like that. That is flour. But the same way we can say FLOWER, flour. That also means what? It is flowers, beautiful flowers. It is the season. It is winter season, and you can see so many flowers, seasonal flowers especially nowadays. Then comes raised. It should be RAZED, raised. Then comes piece, PIECE, a part of an object which we can write PEACE, peace. That is all we are striving for. We need peace in the world. Then comes none, NUN, none. You can make it NONE, none. That's how homophones are used. Similar in sound but different in meaning. Then some things are written there, very, very, very important things are given, answer and reply. What is the difference in between these two? I could not answer all the questions in the test. Means something you are writing in written, that is answer. Reply means you are giving it verbally. Discovered means already that place was there, but no one reached or no one could find it out. You were the first one to find it out. That is discover. Once you invent something means it was not present on the face of earth. You were the person who made it possible, who actually created that particular thing. Once you create, that is invention. Once you find out something, that is discovery. Then comes deny and refuse. See, what was it? A deny that I was involved in the accident. What? What does it mean? That already you are blamed. So you are denying means you are denying some blame. And refusal means there was a proposal before you. Someone is blaming you for something, for doing something, and you are refusing it, that is called deny. But someone is proposing you to do something and you are refusing it, it is refusal. Just refuse a proposal, deny a claim or a blame. Remember it. Freedom, liberty, very nice. We got our freedom and the prisoners were at liberty on independence. Liberty, it is short period. It is a particular schedule of time when you are free. But freedom, it is limitless. You are always free. You are free from all kinds of occupations, all kinds of dominance. Award, reward. Award, you are awarded for your excellence. You earn it by dint of your hard work. Rewarded, someone is rewarding you for your achievement, like that. So awarded means you were involved in that particular game and you earned it. Rewarded for your service, some authority there rewarding you something. See, it is written highest civilian award in India, Bharat Ratna. It is a state which is conferring to you for your achievement, for your service, and you are rewarded for particular act. This is not for something great achievement, for particular act you are rewarded. Awarded, its span of area is much more than that of reward. Then comes desert, desert. Desert, only one S, that is Thar Desert, Sahara Desert, vast area covered with sand only. And double S means that is sweets, Rasagolla, Sandesh, like that. Then comes accident, incident. You know that. Accident, it is a collision, incident, something that takes place. Reminder, remainder. Remainder you got in the math, I hope, from Abhishek sir. What is remainder? 5 by 2, 1 is remainder. Now, reminder, yes, sometimes you reminds me, sir, you take the class, send the link, that is a reminder. You are reminding me to do something. A remainder after doing something which is left. Then vacation, vocation, very nice thing. What is a vacation? That is a puja vacation, Christmas vacation, that is holidays. And vocation, what you are doing, your profession, the thing by which you are running your family, that is your vocation. Okay, thank you very much, students. That's all for today. Next day we will discuss the rest of the questions. Thank you very much.